In this video, I will show you how to join Uber Eats as a restaurant. So if you want to join Uber Eats so that people can order from your restaurant through the Uber Eats app, then what you want to do is first just open your browser and search Uber and go to uber.com. From uber.com, you can just click Uber Eats right here. Then here it will take you to Uber Eats. Now in the top left, click on the three lines right there. And then to join, just click on Add Your Restaurant right there. And now here to get started, if you already have an account, click on that link. If you don't, first add your store address. So just type it in right here. Then enter the name of your store. Then your brand name. Now that can be the same as your store name. Then your business type. So restaurant, convenience store, or any of these other ones. I'll go restaurant. Then your cuisine type. And this will be used to help people find your business. For example, if they're searching for Italian, then they can search for that and they will find your business. Then the number of locations that you have. Then here are your personal details, so your first and last name, email address, and phone number. Then click I'm not a robot right there and click submit. Now they will ask what is your phone number or email and just click continue. And now a 4-digit code will be sent to your email address. So simply enter that right there. Now you need to agree to their terms and review the privacy notice, so click I agree if you do and then click next. And now you're all set and you can now continue. And now you can choose a plan for your account. So right here you can choose the delivery or pickup. Now you can see you can use the Uber platform to get orders to customers. So use delivery people on Uber, which is a 30% fee per order, or you can use your own delivery staff, which will be 14% fee per order. So if you have someone that can do deliveries, you want to select that one because that will probably save you some money. If you don't and you want people to come pick it up, then you need to select that one, but that will cost you 30% of the order. Now you can also choose to do a pickup, which will cost 14% per order. Now you can see there is also a €400 activation fee per location, typically paid after you fulfill your first few orders. So you don't need to do it immediately, but now just click confirm. And here enter your business name, your address, and your legal info. Then the store setup takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then they will review it, which will take 1 to 3 days. And after doing that, you will then get listed onto the Uber Eats app and people can then order from your restaurant on Uber Eats. So now you know how to join Uber Eats as a restaurant. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.